Magnifera indica. We call it mango in simple words, or in Hindi we call it amba, the king of the fruits. Maharashtra is the largest producer of mango in India. India is one of the major producer of mango across the world. That's why the scientific name of mango is Magnifera indica. Indica means India. Probably it was originated from Indian subcontinent. Now, in today's session, we'll look at or we'll discuss those parameters which the farmers must take into consideration while going for the plantation of the mango. Now, mango plantation is suggested in two ways, like based on the Indian situations, Indian conditions, soil conditions, where medium to higher level soils they are suitable for the mango cultivation, where the pH of the soil should be around 5.5 to around 7.58. Right now, in such soils where the black soil or the reddish brown soil, even leached soil or chelated soils are also suitable for the mango cultivation, which we can see in the southern India, particularly in the Karnataka, in Kerala, in Tamil Nadu, very specifically into the Karnataka, where the reddish chelated soils they are also suitable for the mango cultivation. Now, there are two ways of planting it. One is with higher density, or the Israeli technique, wherein the spacing of the trees is less, where normally 5 meter by 5 meter, this type of spacing is used in the plantation. While normally the what university, agricultural universities in India, they suggest according to the Indian soil conditions and climatic conditions, is that the plantation should be at a distance of around 10 meter by 10 meter. Right. So this is a standard distance which needs to be maintained, particularly in those soils which are heavy soils. Now, in medium soils, it can be slightly less, it's around 9 meters to 9 meters. This much distance is also sufficient. Now, in terms of dense area, uh, in terms of maximum density on an Israeli mode of cultivation, we normally go for 5 by 5 meter. Now, as far as the pit development is concerned, this is very important. Now, the pit before the plantation needs to be digged properly, wherein the depth of the pit should be around 1 meter, the length and the width should be around 1 meter. And after digging it properly, here before plantation, some uh, can say alluvial content needs to be added into the pit. Along with that, here organic fertilizers and very specifically the manure and they needs to be added in proper quantities, around 30 to 40 kilograms of the manure needs to be added into those pits, along with around 2 to 3 kilogram of phosphate, very specifically SSP, that is single super phosphate. That is very important. At the same time, number of other micronutrients can be added into the pit, so that once the plantation is done, the roots of the newly planted plant can grow faster and faster and can get widespread, so that the plant gets base into the soil, whichever type of soil is there. This type of pit development is essential before planting the uh, plant of the mango. Now, as far as the mango varieties are concerned in India, Alfonso is one of the major mango which is cultivated into India, very specifically into the South India. So the Alfonso cultivation is economically viable because it has better export, can say, vibrancy. As a result, here there is a maximum demand of the Alfonso mango from Indian subcontinent very specifically. So all those who are preparing for civil services or different types of state PCS examinations, all these aspirants they must take into consideration all these things, take into consideration, so that once they are interested into they interest into the services, they will be in a position to guide the farmers properly. Once they became the heads of different departments, because after becoming IAS, you also become the secretary of different departments, including the agriculture department or the horticulture departments, right? So, along with your theoretical knowledge, you must have practical knowledge or on ground knowledge of different types of plantations. So, today we largely tried to cover the basic aspects of the mango cultivation. So myself, R. Santosh.